Try again.
Have to toe in the elevator?
Toe in elevator?
Did you hear him?
Yeah.
Toe in the elevator. Good job.
It's Nana Mama's game.
Elevator closed. Do you want to put your toe in?
Would you want to push the button, Dom? Oh.
Toe in the elevator. Yep, good job. Good job, yeah. Great game. Do you want to push the button?
Who do you want to do it? Nana Mama?
Oh, toe in the elevator.
It's a good stance you got there, bud.
See, it's not scary.
Yes, this is what I do all day long.
Toe in the elevator. Should have like 5 times. Oh,
Bye, elevator.
elevator. See you later.
Now where are we going? Oh, escalators? Okay. Show the way.
Right